Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I am back with a new recipe. I'm going to make a delicious chocolate pudding. If you love chocolate, you must try this dessert recipe. So come on, let's get started.
For chocolate pudding, we need 1.5 cup of whole milk. Don't use skim milk. The whole milk will give the pudding a smooth and creamy texture. We need 6 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or any kind of chocolate pieces, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Separate the egg yolks and whisk them. We will not use the egg whites. Add sugar in a pot. Then add cornstarch and salt. Whisk gently so that the cornstarch is mixed with the sugar. Add milk. And turn on the heat to medium. Keep stirring. Add the egg yolks and stir on medium heat. When the mix starts to boil, you will see bubbles. Then take the pan off the heat. Add the chocolate pieces, butter, and vanilla immediately before the mix cools so that the chocolate pieces melt, otherwise you will get lumps of chocolate. Stir till all the pieces melt. Once the pieces are melted, the chocolate pudding is ready. Pour it and let it set in a fridge for 1 hour. Then for decoration, add whipped cream and chopped nuts. Wow, this chocolate pudding looks so yummy and tastes so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with the new recipe. Bye.